Now we will see multiplication of matrices. Two matrices A and B can be multiplied if the number of columns in A is equal to the number of rows in B. So we will understand it by taking an example. If matrix A is 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 0 2 and B matrix is 2 minus 3 1 0 and 3 1. So here A matrix has column 3 and B matrix has row 3. So now we will multiply these two matrices. So 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 0 2, and we have to multiply this with 2 minus 3 1 0 and 3 1. So now we will multiply first matrix row with the columns of the other two matrices, means 3 into 2 plus minus 1 into 1 plus 3 into 3. Again we will multiply this row with another column, means we have to multiply our first matrix row with the columns of other matrices. Now we will multiply the first row with second column, 3 into minus 3 plus minus 1 into 0 plus 3 into 1. Now multiplication of first row is over. We have multiplied our first row with both the columns. Now we will multiply our second row with first column. So minus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 1 plus 2 into 3. Now we will multiply our second row with second column, minus 1 into minus 3, 0 into 0 plus 2 into 1. So now we will get it as 3 into 2 6 minus 1 plus 9. Here it is minus 9 plus 0 plus 3. Here it is minus 2 plus 0 plus 6. Here it is 3 plus 0 plus 2. Now we will get it as 6 minus 1 5 plus 9, it will be 14. Minus 9 and plus 3, it will be minus 6. Minus 2 and plus 6, it will be 4. And 3 plus 2, it will be 5. We will see some more examples. If A is equal to 1 minus 2 2 3 and B is equal to 1 2 3 2 3 1, then find AB. So our AB will be, we will multiply A with B, 1 minus 2 2 3 with matrix B, 1 2 3 2 3 1. As I have told you, we have to multiply this row with all the columns. So first we will multiply our first row with this column, that is 1 into 1 plus minus 2 into 2. We will again multiply our first row with second column, that is 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into 3. Then 1 into 3 plus minus 2 into 1. We will again multiply our second row with first column, then it will be 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2. Then we will again multiply 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3. Again second row with third column, 2 into 3 plus 3 into 1. So it will be 1 minus 4, 2 minus 6, 3 minus 2, 2 plus 6, 4 plus 9, 6 plus 3. It will be minus 3, 2 minus 6 minus 4, 3 minus 2 1, 2 plus 6 it will be 8, 9 plus 4 13, and 6 plus 3 9. So now its order is 2 by 3. Now it's your A into B matrix. So in case of multiplication, we will multiply the row of first matrix with all the columns of our second matrix B. We will see some more examples. Suppose if A is equal to 1 3 2 1 and B is equal to 4 minus 1, then find AB. So we will multiply our row with columns, that will be 1 3 2 1 with 4 minus 1. So now here will be multiply this row with this column, that it will be 1 into 4 plus 3 into minus 1. Here we have only one column, so we will multiply this row with this column only, 2 into 4 plus 1 into minus 1. So it will be 4 minus 3, 8 minus 1. Now it will be 1 and 7. So our order of the matrix will be 2 by 1. So now we have got our A into B matrix. So we have to multiply those matrices only when the number of columns in A is equal to the number of rows in B. Suppose this matrix has 2 columns, so this matrix has 2 rows. So we will multiply two matrices only when first matrix column and second matrix rows are equal to each other. Okay, so we will see some more examples. If A is equal to 1 2 3 and B is equal to 2 4 and 6, we have to find A into B. So here also A matrix has order of 1 by 3, means it has 1 row and 3 columns. B matrix has 3 rows and 1 column. So here its number of columns is equal to number of rows of B. So we can multiply these two matrices A into B. Now let's multiply these two matrices A into B as 1 2 3 and 2 4 6. So it will be, here it has one row and one column only, so we will multiply this with 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4 plus 3 into 6. So we have got this as 2 plus 8 and plus 18. So it will be your matrix product as 28. Now we will see some more examples. If A is equal to 1 4 2 5 minus 2 3 and B is equal to 2 minus 4 1 minus 3 4 0, then find A into B. If A is equal to 3 minus 1 4 2 3 1 and b is equal to 1 3 4 2 1 0 minus 3 2 3. Then find a into b. If a is equal to 2 4 6 and b is equal to 1 2 3, then find a into b. If a is equal to 1 2 3 0 and b is equal to 0 minus 3 1 0, then find a into b. If a is equal to a b minus b a and b is equal to a minus b b a, then find a into b. This is your DIY. If you have any more problems in solving these sums, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number. You can contact me on this number if you have any problem regarding the videos of matrices.